No, that's not compliant. Somebody could fall through there.
Yeah, but what's the likelihood of that happening?
That's a great question. What is the likelihood of that? 1 in 100? 1 in 1,000? 1 in 10,000? Okay, so let's just say it is 1 in every 10,000, which is 0.0001. This is a moderate traffic area, seeing about 200 people pass this way each day, 365 days a year. And of course there are 4 safety barricades just like this one throughout the park, so multiply that by 4. And we get so the likelihood of all that is that 29 people will get injured each year.